In this short video, I'll show you how to dark theme in Google Sheet. In Google Spreadsheet, from what I can tell, it doesn't necessarily have a built-in dark mode. So what we can do is utilize a Chrome extension. So go to Google and type this in, Chrome extension store, press it, press the first one. And what we can do is type in dark mode night eye, this one. Go ahead and press get, add extension, and it should start downloading the extension. Give it a sec. There we go. It's gonna thank us for downloading it. But once you see this, you can go ahead and go back to your Google spreadsheet. And to activate it, in the extensions tab at the top right, there should be dark mode. Go ahead and press it. Try for free. Turn it on. There we go. Now it's gonna take a bit of time to load the dark mode into Google Sheet, but once it does, you know it does when it starts to highlight all of the options right here. There we go. Now you know how to dark theme in Google Sheet. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.